Hey, do you want to learn how to draw on Instagram messages or send doodles on Instagram? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. All right, once you've opened up the Instagram app on your mobile, on the bottom, you're going to find the send icon. Press on it. After that, you need to find a chat where you want to send the doodle or the draw message on. So let's say I open up this first one. Now on the bottom right, you're going to find this plus icon. Press on that. And you're going to see this draw function over here, which says new next to it. It's a new function that they have just added. If you do not see this function yet, it probably means that they have not yet added it to your account. But do check if your Instagram app is updated to the latest version or not. So go over to Play Store or App Store and update the Instagram app to the latest version. Next, let's press on this draw function. And now you can draw over here like this. I can draw over anything that I want. And if you want to increase or decrease the brush size, you can do this from here on the left hand side. Increase or decrease the brush size. If you want to change the color of the brush, you can press on one of these on the bottom. You can also scroll to the right or left to choose more colors like this. Now if you want to erase it, you need to choose the erase brush tool. On the top, you can see all these brushes. The last one is brush, which is going to erase what you have drawn. So you need to select it and then you can remove whatever you have drawn just by drawing over it like this. It works. This is another brush tool that you can use. Let's erase it. And the one next to it draws arrows. So I'm going to show you what it does. Let's draw a simple line and it's going to add the shape at the end, which is going to make it look like an arrow. If I reduce the brush size and I draw one more line here, and there you go. Now you can see that it becomes an arrow. I just draw one line and it makes it into an arrow. The first one is a simple brush tool like this. Let's select the erase tool and erase everything here. Now what if I want to send it? I'm going to draw something over here like this. And on the bottom right, you're going to find this send button. Press on it and there you go. We have now sent it to this person. Now, if you want to unsend it, you just need to long press the doodle that you have done and it's going to say hide all or unsend. I'm going to press on this unsend to unsend that doodle that we just drew. And that's it. That's how to draw on Instagram messages or send a doodle on Instagram. This feature is currently not yet available on Instagram web. It's only available on mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and on the right hand side, you can find more Instagram related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.